What shows that this is sophisticated data analysis to open the simple laptop support column. On this board 767 M9080 this shows them is clearly marked with a red exit sign. There is also a light on the floor which illuminates the way to the exit and setup. There are signals all these exits are clear or completely unluggage during takeoff and landing. In the event of sudden loss of cabin pressure, individual oxygen must be dropped down automatically. Since this captain immediately pulls the mask down, fully can announce the losses and breathe normally. Adults seated next to the children should close to their one mouth and the rest is the chair. There is a live listening of each hand every seat. For business class passengers, the left is the pouch between the seats. In case of emergency, you should hold on the phone which has leaves the vest over your head. The last strap at the bench should be bolt and have your waist hooked and pulled very tightly. Each waist has a light. To inflate the vest, pull down sharply on the rectangle below the waist. You may also inflate the waist padlock into the rubber tubes. Do not inflate the waist inside the cabin. The safety information card is in the seat pocket in front of you. That is the card cabinet. The cabin light will be turned off during takeoff and landing. Necessary use the reading light. Have a pleasant flight. Thank you for that.